Greetings, everybody. Next Level Reviews here. Got another drink review for you. I'm thirsty as hell. And I seen something new. Harney and Sons Organic Green Citrus Ginkgo Soothing Green Tea. It's the kind that's got some nasty shit floating at the bottom. It's okay. You just shake it. But let's check out the label here. Come on, focus. Anyway, 40 calories, 10 carbs per bottle. This is not from concentrate, it looks like. These are the ingredients. Organic brewed infusion of water, organic cane sugar, organic green tea, organic honey. So I guess it's not vegan based on your definition of vegan. Organic ginkgo, organic lemongrass, organic lemon flavor, natural citrus flavor, absorbic acid, citric acid, sodium citrate. Fair trade certified. They keep these in the cold section. So it's been cold since day one. Let's pop it. Okay. It's got like a celery juice smell. It's not carbonated. I'm seeing lots of bits floating in that. Could be good, could be bad. Look at that. Pinky up. So this is like a snooty tea. Let me lift this up a bit. I've seen some green stuff floating in there. And it looks like dirty pond water. Alright. Oh, that's good. I could taste it right away. So I taste the green tea and the lemon. Yeah, first you taste that lemon and the sweetness. Then it's green tea straight away. And it finishes with like almost a cucumber flavor. Wow, that's refreshing. Let me get into this a little bit. I'm intrigued. I can see green tea leaf in the drink. Man, I just want to gulp that. So, pretty clean tea flavor. Tastes like definitely not. Some tea gets like very tannic. If it's over brewed. This is like a nice light brew green tea. Super refreshing, juicy. Watermelon rind. I taste the lemongrass. A little bit of fresh mown lawn. Cucumber. I guess I get a hint of the honey, but I can't really tell much. Yeah, I could drink that by the gallon. Unfortunately, it's only in these little bars, or shit. What is this thing called? A jar. Cool jar. Wow, that's good. Nice light green tea. Almost tastes like a watermelon rind. But in the good way. Yeah, I killed that. I could drink that by the gallon. That's good stuff. Would I drink it again? Hell yeah. Would I buy it again? Yeah. I think it was like $2, in between $2 and $3. So I've had more expensive drinks. I got this at Choice's Natural Market. And I've had cheaper, but this one's pretty good for uncarbonated. It'll settle your stomach too. Yeah. Harney and Sons, you did good. What would I rate this? This has got to be a high 80. I love the taste of that. I'm going to call it an 85. So, anyway, going to that Japanese market again tomorrow. I got to pick up a cousin at the airport. And so I'm going to try and do a little video inside the market. And restock on some stuff. So, be on the lookout for that. 85. Try it out, Harney and Sons. They had other flavors too. This one sounds the best. Soothing green tea. And it is soothing. It's got a smooth yet juicy flavor. And with a hint of that bitter, not crazy bitter. I'm talking like the white part of a watermelon with slight pink on it. It definitely tastes like watermelon. I keep thinking of watermelon as I eat that, and cucumber. But yeah, good stuff. 85.